Hi, welcome back to Layden's Olive. Today I'm up in my workshop, or I should say tonight. It's about 9 p.m. here. I watched a few videos on I guess they call it the Electro Coil for gardens. I'm pretty skeptical on if it works or not. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do an experiment this year to see if it actually does make any difference in the gardens. So I'm going to make my own. I looked it up a little bit, and I seen you can actually buy these things online, but I'm just going to make my own. They're pretty simple. So I'm just going to take some 14-2 wire. All I'm going to do is strip it, take the coating off. 14-2 3 wire, or 14-2. It has a ground wire in the center. So it's pretty simple. I'm just going to take this and split it down the middle, get the copper wire. Now I'm going to do a few of these first in my gardens, and what I'm actually going to do for my experiment, I'm just going to put them on certain parts of my garden, like in a bed that has the same plants, same soil, same everything, except I'm going to put the coil on one end and just see if there is a difference on how my plants do this summer, to see if these coils actually really do make any difference. Like I said before, I'm pretty skeptical if it actually does work. But you know what? I'm willing to give it a try. It's not that hard to do. It's a pretty simple thing to do. So what I'm actually going to do is I have a small piece of strap wood that I cut out. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to let it kind of sit down at the bottom a little, down past the end. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to coil, because they say a coil works the best. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to coil this all the way up. Now the other thing they say you should do is when you do this, it should go down as deep as the roots of your plants are, and it should actually sit above your plants. So what I'm actually going to do, because to me wood is not a very good electrical conduit. Electricity don't travel well through this. Now they say the particles in our atmosphere, in our oxygen and stuff, does have an electrical charge, which is true. It actually does. So what I'm actually going to, see this? It took me less than 2 minutes, and I have one made. Let's see if I can come in a little closer. It's just coiled around the wood. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take this end. See, I have a little bit of wire that's sticking off the end. I'm going to dig that, push it down in the ground to about that distance, which is about 6 to 8 inches deep into the ground, and I'm going to let this stick up above. And I'm going to do that in a few different places. And like I have gardens, I'm actually thinking about doing a couple in my greenhouse to see if it actually will work and create more squash on my zucchini plants. I'm just going to do it in one garden down there. I'm going to actually put 2 of these guys in there, in the greenhouse itself, in one bed, and just see if it makes a difference. You know, it never hurts to try. I mean, I'm not going to say it doesn't work or it works, so this is what I'm going to try, and by the end of the year, of the end of the growing season, I should be able to tell you guys, or I'll actually take you guys along tomorrow when I go do it in the garden. It's pretty well dark outside now, so we'll put these in tomorrow, and I'll take you guys along. And then when I actually start harvesting, I'm harvesting my zucchini already. I've already harvested, I think, about 40 zucchini so far this year. I only planted my plants, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago? I'm already getting tons of zucchini. My pigs are enjoying them. So yeah, but I'm going to try this out to see if it works. If it works, I'll let you guys know. If it doesn't work, I'll let you know as well. So yeah, I'll take you guys along tomorrow. I'll show you exactly where I'm putting them, and hopefully they work. It'd be nice if they did. That would be another boost to get your plants to grow better and produce more fruit or more vegetables, which would be a great idea. So yeah, I'll take you guys along tomorrow now. Once I get these all made tonight, I'm going to make up at least 2 or 3 more. I've already got 3 or 4 done. And I'll take you guys along tomorrow when I'm putting them in. Show you guys how I do that. I'll show you the plants exactly where I'm putting them. Show you the plants what they are now. And then in about say 6 weeks, I'll come back and I'll do another video and show you the plants where one of these hydrocoils are and the plants that don't have an hydrocoil close to them. And we'll figure it out together. So yeah, I got my coils made to stick in my gardens. I got 4 here. I got 1 put in already. So what I'm going to do is I'm not using many out here. I put 1, I'll show you where it is. 1 over where my beets are growing. There's 1 there, and I'm going to put another one down here at the far end of my snow peas. Down here. To see if it's actually really going to make a difference or not. These I don't need to grow any faster. I have so much romaine lettuce growing right now, we can't keep up with it. We're soon going to start feeding some of it to the animals. Okay, so now I'm going to go down to my greenhouse. I'm just going to put 1 in there. I know I said I was going to do 2, but I'm just going to do 1 because it's a small bed that I'm going to put them in. And I'm not sure how well they work, so I'm going to save 2 for the outside. So yeah, this is my greenhouse. It's turned into a jungle in here. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put 1 of these hydrofoils in 1 of these beds, just this front bed here. And just to see if it does help with the plants producing more zucchini on these guys. Now, like I said, I've already picked a lot of zucchini, and I pretty much pick them every day now. I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 in here again today. I picked, I think it was 15 I picked yesterday that were like fair size, and the ones I just counted now, they're pretty much the same size. It's amazing how fast zucchini can grow overnight. So yeah, that's all I'm putting in here is just that 1. And now I'm going to go back to my back garden. Now the garden I'm going to now, back to now is the one where I did the video on the best way to weed a new garden. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So yeah, this is where I have my my jack-o'-lantern pumpkins. Because it's a long bed, what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to put 1 right here, closer to the far one end, just to see if the pumpkins on this end, or these plants on this end, will grow better than they do on that end. And I'm actually going to do this with some tomatoes as well. I'm going to try 1 just right up here. There's like 4 tomato plants right here, so I'm just going to put them there, and that's it. That's pretty much how you install those things. You just push them in the ground. Or at least that's what I've seen so far. I have my doubts that it's actually going to work, like I said before, but you know what? What the hell? It didn't take me long to do it, so I may as well give it a try. Hopefully it works. I don't think it will, but, you know, some people say it does, and some people say it doesn't, and some people say they don't know, and, well, this is an experiment for me to see if it actually does help. So, yeah, all right, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe consider subscribing. Leave a comment. I got to run because it's starting to rain right now. Thanks for watching the video.